Okay, we're on. It's, what's today, April 21st, 2026. Constance Jones, my imagination, a distant relative or even a first cousin of Ralph Jones, who became King of England in the movie King Ralph. It starred John Goodman and the late, great Sir Peter O'Toole, fun movie.
I don't think King Ralph was one of my relatives. That's
why I said my imagination. Yeah. My imagination runs wild.
Good thought, but
yeah. So this is my most recent Under the Wings art series artwork about victims of the Holocaust and of fascism in Europe, 1930s to war's end, 1945. Pfarrer, German, pastor. He was an evangelical Christian, Schneider. He was the first Protestant pastor executed by the Third Reich. He was executed at Buchenwald concentration, what I call death camp, in 1939.
Wow.
He wore a...
yeah, I was going to ask about that.
The prisoners had these
red patch.
like patches indicating who they were. Like Jewish prisoners had like a Star of David on their prison kind of attire, yeah, which was like kind of blue-gray striped. He had a triangular red indicating he was a political prisoner. And what we have here, I'm describing as a TrumpLeviathan, like allegorical sea monster. Leviathan is like a term which goes back some hundreds of years, I think, in kind of Christian theological imagery. I'm not Christian, but that's beside the point. It works for me in terms of thematic
like,
ideation.
It looks like a mass of biological cells.
Kind of like my equivalent to the movie Alien, if you remember the movie Alien. Yeah. And then I was wondering what to do over here, and I was going through some old drawings. I found a drawing I did in December 1974 for a Fundamentals of Art class my sophomore year at Southern Illinois University at Carbondale. And I had done a drawing, which I pulled out of the workbook, done after a sculpture by Ernst Barlach called Crippled Beggar, which was a sculpture of vitrified clay he made in 1930. He was born in the late 19th century. He served in World War I, became vehemently anti-war as a result of being in the war in Europe. And then he was considered a degenerate artist by the Nazis, and hundreds of his artworks were seized and many were destroyed. And he died before, he wasn't killed, but he died before, well before the mass murders were going on. Anyway. So
I really like it. Like this, he was labeled. This man was labeled and kind of devoured.
Devourer.
Looks like he's being devoured by the situation, by the place in history.
Sure. Sure. And it all comes back again to like the pastor's prologue sentiment with right-wing ascendancy in parts of Europe, and with Donald Trump, xenophobia and race hate and Islamophobia and anti-black hatred, and just goes on and on and on. Anti-Hispanic, anti-Asian. I'm convinced he's anti-Semitic as well.
Everyone but billionaires.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Constance.
Thank you,
Excellent.
Akiva.